Hearing screening, the MADSEN Alpha OAE. Hearing loss is often an invisible condition. In children, it can be mistaken as a late talker. For the elderly, we may joke that it's selective listening. There's no denying hearing loss affects millions. In fact, 700 million worldwide. Hearing screening can be done by many professionals. Here are some common facts that are known in the newborn hearing screening world. Once a child passes the newborn hearing screening, we tend to think of them as okay or give them the all clear. Delayed onset hearing loss affects many children in many different ways. Some hearing loss is temporary and some permanent. It can affect learning in and outside of the classroom. Hearing typically decreases with age and often goes unnoticed, at least by the person with the hearing loss. It affects daily activities of everyone involved with the hearing impaired person. This slide shows that a child who is normal can basically have approximately 700 words at 3 years old. The green bar shows if identified with hearing loss at birth, they'll have approximately 400 words at age 3. If they're identified at 6 months old, 250 words by age 3. If they're identified with hearing loss not until they're 2 years old, they will have less than 100 words by age 3. This shows the importance or need for periodic screening of hearing. We can't just assume that the newborn hearing screening pass is the all clear. Parents, guardians, teachers, everyone needs to be aware of the milestones for communication. If we know the milestones for communication, we can reduce learning deficits by identifying hearing loss early. We look for an increase in communication skills, and there's an expectation that we reach certain stages of language development at certain times. For adults or even children who have already developed language, hearing loss can show itself by a decrease in communication skills or even daily activity. Identifying loss early leads to diagnostic testing, solutions, and continued good quality of life. Odometrics can make a positive impact on your hearing screening program with OAE screening. We asked people the greatest challenges they encounter when testing someone's hearing, or even when they thought about offering hearing screening in their practice. These were some of the common answers. Odometrics wanted to find solutions. By addressing the most commonly noted complaints or concerns, we knew that a system needed to be simple to use and understand. It had to make the user confident in the results and in its use, and somehow we had to make it easier to use with children. A touchscreen makes it easy to learn. It's familiar and friendly and not intimidating. The icons on the large color screen are easy to see. A built-in probe check cavity allows for immediate feedback on the condition of the probe. You can use this as a daily check or whenever there's a question about the condition of the probe. And for the most challenging people we test, a video can be played to engage them just long enough for the OAE test to be complete. We've also created an informative website where you can see videos, download helpful interpretation guides, sticker templates, sample letters, and more. There are 2 versions of the MADSEN Alpha OAE. The general functionality is the same, but there are some subtle differences. Here's a table of features that may be helpful when comparing the 2 units. The brochures with complete details of the 2 versions are available. Here you see the circle again of professionals who provide hearing screening. Those in red might be best served by the Alpha OAE Plus, while the others might be better served with the MADSEN Alpha OAE.